Hey there, car audio enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special for all you sound lovers out there. Are you tired of a lackluster audio in your ride? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of the best 4-in CHCR speakers with good bass. These power-packed little speakers may be small in size, but they deliver a big sound that will elevate your driving experience. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes on a road trip or just cruising around town, these speakers will fill your car with rich bass and clarity. Stick around as we break down the top options to transform your audio experience and get ready to turn up the volume. Let's go. Number 5. Kicker DSC 44-inch coaxial speakers. Perfect for those seeking the best 4-in CHCR speakers with good bass. These speakers are engineered by Kicker, a brand known for its high-performance audio products. With a maximum output power of 120 watts and a sensitivity of 88. These speakers deliver impressive sound quality across a wide frequency range of 60 Hz to 20 kHz. The 4-ohm impedance makes them compatible with most car audio systems, ensuring a seamless integration, whether you're cranking up your favorite tunes or enjoying the crystal-clear audio in your vehicle. These Kicker DSC 40 speakers will impress, with an Amazon customer rating of 4.5. They are highly praised by users for their ability to produce a rich bass response while maintaining clarity in higher frequencies. Upgrade your car audio experience today with Kicker DSC 40 speakers and feel the difference in every note. Number 4. Boss Audio Systems B4 23 Rage Series 4-inch car door speakers. These compact, coaxial speakers deliver a maximum output power of 225 watts, ensuring your favorite tunes come alive with crisp sound and vibrant bass. Ideal for those looking to upgrade to the best 4-inch car speakers with good bass. These speakers feature a poly-injection cone and rubber surround for enhanced durability and performance. With a frequency response range of 100 Hz to 18 kHz and a sensitivity of 90 dB at 1 watt/1 meter, you can enjoy surround sound that fills your car effortlessly. Their sleek dimensions, 4x4 by 2.3 inches, and lightweight design, 2.6 pounds per pair, make installation a breeze. Plus, Boss Audio Systems backs this product with a robust 3-year warranty when purchased through Amazon.com, with an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.2 stars. It's clear that audio enthusiasts love the rich sound these speakers bring to the table. Upgrade your car audio system today. Number 3. Kicker is synonymous with top-notch audio performance. And the Kicker Pair 4-inch 300-watt 4-ohm two-way car audio coaxial speakers CSC44 is no exception, with a peak output of 150 watts and an RMS of 50 watts. These speakers deliver impressive sound clarity and powerful bass, making them perfect for any audiophile on the go. The 4-inch two-way design is engineered for optimal frequency response up to 20 kHz, ensuring a rich audio experience no matter your music genre. The coaxial connectivity technology easily integrates into your car setup to keep the soundstage wide and immersive. If you're searching for the best 4-inch car speakers with good bass, look no further. These speakers are a game changer, with an Amazon customer rating of 4.5 stars. They're highly regarded for their performance, durability, and affordability. Upgrade your car audio system today and enjoy music like never before. Number 2. NVX NSP4 4-inch car speakers, your ultimate upgrade for car audio, with a stellar Amazon customer rating of 4.3. These two-way coaxial speakers promise to deliver a premium sound quality, featuring 3/4 silk dome tweeters. They ensure crisp and detailed sound reproduction that will immerse you in your favorite tunes. Their impressive peak power handling of 300 watts and an RMS of 100 watts per pair mean powerful performance that enhances your listening experience like never before. Engineered with durability in mind, these speakers use robust polypropylene cones and nitrobutadiene rubber surrounds to withstand daily use. Installation: easy as pie, with a slim top mount depth of just 1.88 inch and manageable cutout dimensions of 3.66. They're compatible with a wide variety of vehicles. Plus, the wide frequency response of 94 to 20. 000 Hz ensures balanced sound reproduction across all audio ranges. For anyone seeking the best 4-inch car speakers with good bass, the NVX NSP4 is the perfect choice. Number 1. Pyle waterproof rated marine speakers are your ultimate solution. With a robust maximum output power of 100 watts and a frequency response range of 90 Hz, 18 kHz. These 4-inch two-way speakers deliver exceptional stereo sound that's perfect for any adventure. Designed with a weather-resistant feature, you can confidently install them in boats, off-road vehicles, and marine watercrafts, knowing they'll withstand heavy splashes and harsh outdoor conditions. The built-in illuminating blue LED lights add an exciting ambience, making nighttime excursions even more thrilling. Plus, their sleek low-profile design not only facilitates easy installation, but also enhances the aesthetic of your vehicle. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.4. These speakers are undoubtedly among the best 4-inch car speakers with good bass. Upgrade your sound system and enjoy every beat of your journey. In conclusion, upgrading your car audio system with the best 4-inch speakers can truly enhance your listening experience, providing impressive bass and clarity. Whether you're a casual listener or a dedicated audiophile, these speakers are sure to elevate your journeys. We hope this video has helped you find the perfect match for your car. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below.